if the Madhya Pradesh government and central government is spending 100 crores on Gaumutra, if the IIT Madras director is saying that Gaumutra पीने से fever 15 मिनट में चला जाएगा, that is where they are taking us. कोरोना के टाइम पे कौन तो गौमूत्र पिया था क्या? प्रधानमंत्री पिए? मोहन भागवत जी पिए? कौन सा बीजेपी वाला पिया? कोई नहीं पिया. So this is the problem. The ideology of Manuvad is what happened in Haldwani yesterday. What am I saying? Why they can't be banned? I'll tell you. They're not registered only. How will you ban an unregistered organization? Who's talking about banning? I am telling, please register. Register करो, पूरा आपका अकाउंट्स देखो, दिखाओ, आप क्या करते हो, क्या नहीं करते हो, कहाँ से आता है पैसा, पूरा दिखाओ. अगर हमको ठीक लगे तो छोड़ देंगे, नहीं ठीक लगे तो बैन करेंगे. Now there is no question of banning RSS because these fellows are not registered only. That's why I am telling. No, I want to know who is giving me this देशभक्ति सर्टिफिकेट जो दे रहे हैं मुझको, वो कौन संगठन है?
प्यूरिफिकेशन जो किए हैं सर, उसके ऊपर आप क्या कहेंगे? मल्लिकार्जुन खड़गे
अरे वो मनुवादी है भाई. That is, I am not surprised. I don't know why rest of you are surprised. They can't stand. If this philosophy is so good, if this संगठन is so good, पहले अपने बच्चों को डालो भाई, मुझको छोड़ दो. Why am I answering these people? There is अभी सेशन चल रहा है ना, आके उधर बात करो, बिल पे बात करो. What is the point? Why do they think it is against this संगठन? I have huge respect for RSS. I want to know them better.
बीजेपी लीडर्स
I want to know these things better. एक मिनट भाई. RSS is a 100-year-old organization. They are the ones who are the only people who can give Desh Bhakti certificate to everybody, whether it is you, the media persons, or me. They are the ones who are certifying who are nationals and who are anti-nationals.
that even his father tried many things, he could not pass. What Priyank Kharge can do, he is the fool among the bunch of fools.
I don't have to respond to every idiot's comment. I don't have to respond to any of the idiots anywhere. If you have the guts, answer the questions. If you don't have it, say so. You abusing me does not make you a greater intellect. You abusing me does not make the wrong right. You abusing me will not make me stop asking constitutional and legal questions. So whatever questions they have, they can call me whatever they want, but I don't think it is necessary for me to respond to every idiot's question.
Are you targeting BJP? Are you targeting RSS through
With
this
what?
bill, sir?
Sir, this
Why
is
do you
meant
think
to
so?
regulate public
So
spaces.
why does BJP think so? Why does BJP think so? See, yesterday the bill was placed in the cabinet. Have they seen the bill? Is the word Bharatiya Janata Party in that? Is the word RSS there in the? Is there any institution, organization, party, or NGO's name in that? How do they know? The session is going on, the assembly is on. Come here, debate. If there are any shortcomings in the bill, I will correct it. I'm just following Supreme Court's order, High Court's order on regulating public spaces and government playgrounds, government lands, government roads. You have a problem, let the BJP people do whatever they want in their house, in their in Keshav Krupa, in Jagannath Krupa, or whatever their bhavans are called. I have no problem with that. But I have not mentioned anybody. Why are they guilty?
Mr. Vijayendra says, sir, through this bill, these people are making.
Tell Mr. Vijayendra and his entire BJP first to put their children in these shakas. Why are they behind me? If this philosophy is so good, if this संगठन is so good, पहले अपने बच्चों को डालो भाई, मुझको छोड़ दो. Why am I answering these people? There is अभी सेशन चल रहा है ना, आके उधर बात करो, बिल पे बात करो. What is the point? Why do they think it is against this संगठन? I have huge respect for RSS. I want to know them better.
BJP leaders are.
I want to know these things better. एक मिनट भाई. RSS is a 100-year-old organization. They are the ones who are the only people who can give Desh Bhakti certificate to everybody, whether it is you, the media persons, or me. They are the ones who are certifying who are nationals and who are anti-nationals. So I want to understand them better. But definitely this bill is not the way of understanding. In fact, I've told them. I've asked them set of questions. They have not responded. Told if you answer that, if I'm not able to understand, you either come to my office or I'll come to Keshav Krupa or Jagannath Bhavan, wherever it is possible. Let's understand you better. That's all I'm asking. And this bill and RSS has nothing to do. Why is BJP jumping so much? How many times have you seen all these people who are calling me fool, who are calling the Congress people bunch of fools? How many times have you seen these people as a full-time pracharaks, their children as full-time pracharaks?
It is not the first time that Congress, Priyank Kharge is targeting. From the beginning, Congress is
Why do they get so flustered? Why do they get so flustered? Answer the questions over, no? And this bill again is nothing to do with any institution, organization, NGO, any Sangatan or political party. My party is older than RSS. I take permissions when I'm using public grounds. I take permission when I'm using public roads. So even you, my friends from the media, even when you are having public functions, you take permissions. When in your house, if there is a function, कोई शादी है, कोई नामकरण है, you want to use the road to feed the guests, you take permission, no?
why BJP.
So when you take permission, I take permission, anybody else also has to take permission.
Just on the legal point, sir, on the legal point,
Indira Gandhi cannot do. When Nehru
When
can,
did I say ban?
can Priyank Kharge can go, and they even challenge if you can ban RSS.
When did I say ban?
They are saying it.
Arey, Sagai, one second, madam, 1 second. What am I saying? Why they can't be banned? I'll tell you. They're not registered only. How will you ban an unregistered organization? Who's talking about banning? I am telling, please register. Register करो, पूरा आपका अकाउंट्स देखो, दिखाओ, आप क्या करते हो, क्या नहीं करते हो, कहाँ से आता है पैसा, पूरा दिखाओ. अगर हमको ठीक लगे तो छोड़ देंगे, नहीं ठीक लगे तो बैन करेंगे. Now there is no question of banning RSS because these fellows are not registered only. That's why I am telling. No, I want to know who is giving me this देश भक्ति सर्टिफिकेट जो दे रहे हैं मुझको, वो कौन संगठन है?
प्यूरिफिकेशन जो किए हैं सर, उसके ऊपर आप क्या कहेंगे? मल्लिकार्जुन खड़गे.
अरे वो मनुवादी है भाई. That is, I am not surprised. I don't know why rest of you are surprised. They can't stand a Dalit leader in that position. Why do you think they did not invite the president for the parliament inauguration? When Kovind ji was the president, when he went to Orissa temple, Konark temple, after that also they did Shuddhikaran. See, this regime has further accelerated Manuwad philosophy, ideology.
Where are they taking through these kind of acts? Because when we talk about democracy,
They're taking us 200 years back only. Where else are they taking? Scientific temperament is zero. If the Madhya Pradesh government and central government is spending 100 crores on Gaumutra, if the IIT Madras director is saying that Gaumutra पीने से fever 15 मिनट में चला जाएगा, that is where they are taking us. कोरोना के टाइम पे कौन तो गौमूत्र पिया था क्या? प्रधानमंत्री पिए? मोहन भागवत जी पिए? कौन सा बीजेपी वाला पिया? कोई नहीं पिया. So this is the problem. The ideology of Manuwad is what happened in Haldwani yesterday. What is so surprising? They are filled with Manuwads, and that is exactly what they want to inject the people of the minds of the youngsters also.
Well,
just,
Rahul
just on a legal point of this bill, sir. The argument that a standing order was stayed by the High Court, and this bill is an extension of that standing order, and they're saying this won't pass the test of judiciary.
Let them go to the judiciary. Have they read what the Supreme Court has said? Have they read what the High Court of Karnataka has said? So when there is mechanisms to discuss legally, why are they coming to you? Assembly में हूँ ना, मैं ही हूँ. Let them discuss that. वो हमारे यहाँ कहावत है ना, कुंबಳಕಾಯಿ ಕಳ್ಳ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೆಗಲ್ ಮುಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೋಡಿದ್ರು.
Sir, you might have seen the statement made by Mr. Priyank Kharge, Rahul Gandhi yesterday. BJP is now saying he's talking like a child and he is defaming the diplomacy of Pradhan Mantri Narendra Modi.
See, the BJP is clueless on what to do now. Very clearly, the entire parliamentary procedures were scuttled because they didn't want to come and answer. See, whether it is Prime Minister or Home Minister, they are the two biggest cowards right now in India. They're not ready to face the parliament. They're not ready to face the Gen Z protest. Look at how they're hunting down youngsters. अरे एक 15 साल की बच्ची से आप माफी मंगा रहे हो, स्टूडेंट से, छात्राओं से, शर्म आनी चाहिए. This is nothing but, see, they just target personally because they're not able to answer the questions. Whether it is Mr. Kharge or whether it is Mr. Gandhi, anybody, when they cannot answer questions, they have these personal attacks. That's all.
GP are coming with a new draft, sir, that they're going to penalize people who park their vehicles outside. Now, the BJP is saying this is nothing but one more loot from the communist government.
So tell them to give solutions. No. Anything that any progressive thing that we do is not good means tell them to give solutions. Huh? They said the guarantee is not good, but they implemented Ladli Behna. They implement even in the word VBG Gramji, they took the word guarantee. Everything they copy from us and they say it's not good. Then what is good? Let them tell us.
Is everything going good, sir? Because Zamir Ahmad says I'm not ready to go to Vijayanagar.
Everything is fine. See, the prerogative is that of the CM. Last time also, Mr. Krishna Bairegowda, he was without a district in charge. And then he was given Hassan later.